Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Lisa and today I am going to be making a cheesy vegan sauce which is heavily inspired by Plantiful Kiki's cheesy vegan sauce. So the ingredients are the same, I just changed some of the ratios of the spices just a little bit. So let's get started. I do have a Vitamix, which is a high-speed blender, and I bought this off of Amazon. It's refurbished. I got it for under $300. All right, so let's get into the ingredients. So the first thing is about a cup of steamed carrots. So we're going to throw those in the blender, maybe a little bit more, but that's okay. Then I have 4 medium-sized Yukon Gold potatoes, and I just cut them up just so that it will mix up a little bit better in my blender. I'm just going to throw all of that in there. Next, I have a ½ cup of soaked cashews. Now you can soak these overnight. I did a quick soak. I put them in some water and threw them in the microwave for 3 minutes to soften them up. So this is a ½ cup of cashews. So I'm going to throw that into the blender. Next is 3½ cups of water. And last are the spices. So let me tell you what I've got here. I have 4 heaping tablespoons of Nutritional yeast, and this is the brand that I get at Walmart. It is Red Star. And so there's 4 heaping tablespoons. I have 4 teaspoons of garlic powder, 2 teaspoons of salt, and 2 teaspoons of onion powder. So I'm going to dump all this into the blender. Okay, so the last ingredient is lemon juice, and I don't have any fresh lemons, so I'm just going to put a tablespoon of lemon juice. Just the quick and easy kind. Perfect. All right, so that's 1 tablespoon. And now we're just going to blend it up until it becomes smooth, and that's it. So let's blend this up, and then I'll pour it out, and you guys can see how delicious it looks. The carrots give it a really nice orange cheesy look, and it tastes absolutely wonderful. It's my favorite. So that blended for about a minute, and now it is done. So super easy. Literally throw everything in the blender and blend it. So let's adjust this. So I'm going to go ahead and pour this out so you guys can see what the consistency is. I use this on rice. I use it on potatoes, vegetables, you name it, and I put it on there. So let's pour this out. And this will fill up 2 of these ball containers. I only have 1 clean at the moment. I'm going to need to wash the other, but the consistency is really nice. Now, once it sits in the refrigerator, it will thicken up quite a bit, but as soon as it's heated up, it will get back to a really nice runny consistency. So that is super easy vegan cheesy sauce. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!